Hello, chaps.
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2008 Honda Civic Si. Look at Sebastian trying to walk away. Anyway, this thing is a beauty. It drives really well, super fun.
Do you feel that VTEC, bro? Oh my god!
And it's also very economical. So, enough talk though. Let's just get to it. So clearly you can see that it's got the black on black, tinted windows, the fin, beautiful SI badge, the intelligent VTEC, the matching door trims. It's got the SI badge there, and the smoked headlights, fog lamps down at the bottom, beautiful tread on the tire. Got a moonroof. It's got very long doors, as you can see. Got your power windows, power locks. You also have your power mirrors right here on the left-hand side. Trunk, and you pop your fuel tank open. Inside you have the floor mats. It's got a fairly spacious trunk. I mean, obviously this is a smaller car, so it's not meant to carry a bunch of stuff, but you could easily fit two bodies in here. Got the spare right in there, jack and wrench as well. In case you ever found yourself stuck in the trunk, you can actually just pull this, you know. All right, let's hop inside. Pull this back a little bit. So this is a 6-speed manual transmission. As you can see, it's got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in order to put it into reverse, you just push it off to the side, make sure you're all the way there, and it engages into reverse. You got 2 cup holders there. You also have a little storage right here, the lock for your wheels, 12-volt port, handbrake right next to the shifter. Nice spacious center console with 12-volt port right inside. Glove compartment is pretty decent sized. All of your weather settings are right there. Your emergency lights are right there. You can turn on and off your VSA on the left-hand side, your dimmers right above it, and you also have all of the controls for the cluster, so you can have different sections. On the steering wheel, you have the beautiful Honda emblem with the nice black and silver, and all of your volume controls right here on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side you have all of your cruise settings. So when you get lazy, and yes, even though it is a stick shift, when you get lazy you could still put cruise control and have it drive for you. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It purrs. So this specific unit has 133,000 miles. As you're driving, it actually has a digital reader, so you can see exactly how fast you're going. On the left-hand side, how hot the car is, and on the right-hand side, how much fuel you have left, and if you should be going to the gas station sometime soon. Anyway, you have a beautiful aftermarket stereo. In case you ever wanted to make sure that you're looking pretty for the day, not only can you block the sun, but flick it up and make sure you're looking good for everybody. Now, if your passenger is looking a little horrid, you can also flip it down, do the same for them, and in case the sun's getting to them, you can put it off to the side. Oh, remember the moonroof? Well, you can open it up, be able to enjoy the breeze of the day. All right, let's go to the back. Okay, so I am personally 5'10", and as you can see, I still have maybe about an inch or so, and it is a little slanted back, so it makes it a little bit more comfortable. But if you notice right here, this side, I can actually just tilt it off to the right-hand side and have more space. You know, obviously just open my legs up. Anyway, it's actually fairly comfortable. Most cars that are coupes like this are extremely uncomfortable for the driver and the passengers in the back. But this is not horrible at all, and I was actually pretty far back on this one. Now this one is completely back, and knees are touching, but it still doesn't feel super uncomfortable. The rear passengers have a little cup holder right there with some container right there to put all of your extra stuff. Under the hood, we have ourselves the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder dual overhead cam VTEC. Man, this thing is a beauty. Boasts 197 horsepower. So it actually, it gets pretty decent horsepower, and it has a 13.2 gallon tank. So right now we have gas prices over here at about $5.50 $5.3 a gallon. So it would take roughly around like $70 to fill up. It also gets 21 miles to the city and 21 miles in the highway. So not only is it gonna have power, but it is also gonna get you around everywhere that you need to go throughout the city. All right, so some fun features about this car are it has a helical type limited slip differential, which if you've ever driven an SI like this, you'll know that it has razor sharp steering, and man, this thing drives like a beauty. It also redlines all the way up to 8,000 RPMs, and the VTEC kicks in roughly around 5,800 RPMs. So it's gonna kick in way before you're actually redlining the car. It's very fast and quick on its feet, so it ends up picking up really, really quickly, and it just handles super great. Like, you can turn corners really easily. I mean, the car is just super fun to drive while being really great on gas. Some other cars that you might want to consider, if in case you're looking at this one, are going to be something like a Mitsubishi Lancer, a Nissan Sentra, a Subaru Impreza, like the WRX, and maybe like a Corolla Type S or something like that. None of them are going to be quite as much as this one, like similar enough to this one, because this one is just a fun drive overall, but they're going to be contenders that you can consider right alongside it. Anyway, this was the 2008 Honda Civic SI. Please let me know if you have any questions about it. Make sure to drop them in the comment section below, or if you just have any comments about it, if you have one yourself, let us know. Anyway, if you have any questions about the car or our in-house program, drop them in the comment section below. We'd be happy to answer you, whether you're planning on purchasing with us or with somebody else closer to home. We're here for you. So give us a call, 559-444-0123. Thanks a lot, guys, and we will see you on our next one. Okay, bye.